Good day and welcome to another weekly rate session. Today we're looking at intra-Europe, respectively Europe to Mediterranean corridors, and we look at current market movements on the short-term market. I have selected three important corridors for our shipper clients, being North Europe Main to Israel Mediterranean, North Europe Main to Inner Mediterranean, and North Europe Main to Egypt Mediterranean. On the first corridor, the current short-term average rate is at $982. Again, to reiterate, spot rate INX NETA is a rate with a validity of 30 days or less. This rate indicates 25% over the past 12 months. And you can actually see on all those three corridors, there's the peak mid this year, and then we have the drop since the summer. So same for North Europe Main to Inner Mediterranean, a 27% increase over the past 12 months, and today's average short-term rate at $841. And finally, to Egypt Mediterranean, today's rate at $783, which indicates the highest increase here over the past 12 months of 31%. So what I said before, we actually see the drop since mid this year, and this is also reflected if we now change the filter from show the development over the past 12 months to the past 6 months. And we see that it's actually dropping 11 to 19% since then, but still remaining obviously on a higher level than last year. So let's go into the graph views to actually look in a bit more detail. So starting with North Europe Main to Israel Mediterranean, we see the IMO increase with the increases caused by the COVID situation, and then come May, actually a drop again, and now it remains relatively flat, but on a higher level than last year, and the increase also indicated in the percentage number down here by 26%. So today's rate level at roughly $1,000. Looking at the full market spread on the short-term market, we see that today's average prices range from $778 on the market low to $1,125 on the market high. So all kind of like market metrics increased over the past 12 months, and yeah, remains relatively flat now since summer. Going to North Europe Main to Inner Mediterranean, similar picture. We have the increase towards mid this year, then we got the drop come July, and now again relatively flat and decreasing short-term average levels. And looking at the full market spread, we have again a big delta ranging from $414 on the market low to $1,350 roughly on the market high. So again, a big market spread on this corridor, and as a shipper, need to identify your own market position if this is a fair rate level. Obviously, we're looking at the spot market here right now, so contracted rates are looking different. Last but not least, North Europe Main to Egypt Mediterranean. Again, similar picture as before. We're today on the average at roughly $800 on the short-term market. Looking at the full market spread, we are ranging from $400 roughly to almost $1,300. So again, a big market spread, and also we are on a higher rate level than last year. If we just remain on the market average, we see that there is a 30% increase from 12 months ago. So on all three corridors, shippers that are going to market right now would need to expect higher rate levels coming in from the supplier side than 12 months ago. Of course, the question is, how will the markets now change in the remainder of the year? And we will make sure to monitor this closely together with our clients. If any questions, please send us an email, and we're looking forward to next week's video. Bye-bye.